5 power x plus 25 power x is equal to 125 power x. What is the value of x? So, at first, we divided by 125 power x in both sides. So, divided by 125 power x divided by 125 power x divided by 125 power x. Now, this will be cancelled. So, here on. Now, we see x same power but different ways. So, according to this exponential rule, that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So, according to this rule, I can compare here. So, it will be 5 over 125, then bracket common power x plus, again x same power but different way. So, according to this formula, we can write here 25 over 125, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now, 5 divided by 5, that means 1. 125 divided by 5, that means it will be 25. Then 25 divided by 25, that means it will be 1. 125 divided by 25, that means it will be 5. Now we have 1 over 25 then bracket power of x plus then 1 over 5 bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 25 can be written as 1 by 5 bracket power 2. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket power of x plus 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now, here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So, it will be 1 by 5 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 plus 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now, we see 1 by 5 bracket power x, 1 by 5 bracket power x, both term is same. So, let 1 by 5 bracket power x is substituted by y. So, our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now, we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula, so you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Now here a is as on, then b is as on, after that c is as negative on. Now I can write here y is equal to minus b, that means on, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means 1 square, minus 4 times a, that means on, times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means on. Now we can write here y is equal to minus on plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as on, minus times minus, that means plus 4 times on, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times on, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus on plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or y is equal to minus on minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now y, that means remember that let 1 by 5 bracket power x is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to plus square root of 5, that means square root of 5, then minus on divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to minus on minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 5 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides, so you can write here log of 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so you can write here x log of 1 by 5 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log of 1 by 5 in both sides, so divided by log of 1 by 5 divided by log of 1 by 5. So this log of 1 by 5, this log of 1 by 5 will be cancelled. So here x is equal to this divided by this. That means it will be log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 5. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 23 plus 4 to the power 23 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 23. First bracket start. This divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 23 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 23 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 23, that means 46 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 46 plus 1, that means 47. So 2 to the power 47 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.